Hey guys, this is DESHANTA B, and I'm back today to share with you a really quick summer or any time of the year refreshing, detoxing drink. I have a pineapple that's about to go bad. I have some mint that's on its last leg. So I decided to just put it all into a drink, and I'm going to show you the ingredients. And then I'm just going to put it together. You can add any ingredients that you want. I'm going to make another one that's a strawberry and another one that's a cucumber. So let's get into the ingredients. You know what time it is. Let's get into this fresh pineapple drink and stop playing. Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredients. I have some mint that's about to go bad. So I just want to hurry up and use this. So I have some fresh mint. I have some alkaline water. You can use any type of water that's available to you. The $1.25 or Dollar Tree honey syrup blend. I normally would use raw honey, but I'm out. I also have this ginseng pineapple drink. If you don't have this, you can just use pineapple juice or just use the water. I have some fresh ginger that I peeled and sliced up. And I also have some fresh pineapple that I cut up that's trying to go bad. So these are the ingredients. It's really, really simple. What I'm going to do is pour out some of this water so that I can add all the other ingredients, and then I'm going to return the water back into the container. Okay, let's go. I'm making a mess already. I'm going to add a couple slices of the ginger. Let me move you guys down. Now I'm going to add the pineapple ginseng drink. The honey. Hold on, let me move you up. This is about 2 tablespoons of honey, guys. You can add more or less according to your taste. Now I'm going to add the pineapples. Guys, I just want to make sure you can see. This is fresh pineapple. If you want to use canned pineapples, that will be great as well. Try to fill up this whole container with the pineapples. So I'm going to add the pineapple juice from the fresh pineapple. continue to fill it up with as much pineapples. You can use whatever size water container or container that you have. The dominant flavor, of course, will be the pineapples. The sweetness from the pineapples and the honey will help the ginger to not be so bitter. So I think that's about enough. Sorry guys, I'm a neat freak. I have to clean as I'm doing things. And now you just want to add the mint. These are on their way out, so hopefully, but they smell so good, guys. The mint flavor is so strong. It's just so strong, guys. I'm just going to put the mint in. However many pieces that you want is up to your discretion. And now I'm going to add some more water. Going to give this a good shake. You can taste it. Once you taste it, guys, you can make the adjustment. If you need it to be a little sweeter, if you need more pineapple juice. It's all up to your taste buds, guys. And this is how it looks. So simple, so easy. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to place this in the freezer. Let it become frozen. And then as it defrosts, I will drink it as if it's like an icy. Or you can just put it in the refrigerator by itself and just allow it to get cold. You can serve this over ice. However you want to do it. And of course, if you don't want the mint leaves in your drink or the pineapple, all you have to do is just use a strainer. But guys, this is so quick and easy, refreshing, and I love it. The next one I'm going to do is going to be with strawberries, and I'm going to do some with cucumbers. And there you have it. A quick and easy fresh pineapple, ginger, ginseng, pineapple drink, and mint. That's it, guys. So, guys, you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Get you some fresh pineapple, some fresh mint, some ginger. Make your drink for the summer and stop playing. And until next time, bye, guys.